All right, beginning this morning with a significant milestone in the fight against the coronavirus, the FDA giving the green light to a COVID-19 vaccine from Pfizer. The next step, a vote scheduled for today from a CDC Vaccine Advisory Committee known as the ACIP. It is the final hurdle before vaccinations can begin. The FDA has determined that the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine has met the statutory criteria for authorization. The vaccine will be administered as a series of 2 doses, 3 weeks apart. Dr. Ashley Hannings with the University of Georgia College of Pharmacy says known side effects of the vaccine were detailed during ACIP's meeting yesterday.
The most common one by far was pain at the injection site. Headache and fatigue were fairly common as well, but those can happen with a number of other vaccines.
Hannings says even if approved, research on the vaccine will continue, so we do expect to learn more through updated advisories and possible side effects. Within 24 hours of final approval, a massive undertaking is set to begin. Pfizer says most of the vaccines will ship from Kalamazoo, Michigan. Doses will be loaded onto trucks, moved to airports, and shipped by planes to places across the country. Then they're delivered by ground with the help of FedEx and UPS. During the whole process, the vaccines will have to be kept cold. Pfizer says it uses GPS-enabled thermal sensors to track the location and temperature of each shipment. So, speaking of Georgia, who will get the vaccines first here? Residents of our state's long-term health care facilities will be high on the list. According to 11 Alive investigator Andy Parati, the state will use a web application called Tiberius to help determine who gets the vaccine using data points like demographics and public health information. State officials also plan to develop a multimedia campaign to get the word out that this vaccine is safe and about 95% effective. Now to the latest coronavirus numbers here in Georgia. Right now, more than half of the state's 14 hospital regions are struggling to care for an influx of coronavirus patients. More than 2,800 people are hospitalized right now for COVID statewide. Yesterday also marking the 5th highest day we have seen for new COVID cases since the pandemic began. The state reporting cases jumped more than 4,700. Of course, we will keep you updated on all of the latest vaccine developments, including daily breakdowns of case numbers here in Georgia.